Hi, my name is Melvin. I'm from Creative Now. In this video, I'd like to talk about 3 reasons on what's so great about Gmail. So, let's get started. We have wide variety of selections on free email services in the internet, ranging from Hotmail, Outlook, Yahoo, to Zoho, iCloud, Mail.com. So, why Gmail? Firstly, Gmail offers more than an email service. If you notice, Gmail account could be used to access various Google apps such as Google Drive, Google Form, Google Sheets, Google Classroom, and more. So, by signing up a Gmail, you get to access various Google apps, which you could clearly see that these are more than an email service. Next, you could access to various applications like Google Meet, Google Chat, Google Calendar, Google Keep, Google Tasks, all in one page of Gmail web browser. In that sense, you no longer need to open multiple tabs just to complete a single task. Since Google does have Application Programming Interface, or in short API, released to public, software developer could develop third-party applications on top of Gmail that could help you in performing various tasks. For example, sending email into Slack, signing a document directly in Gmail, or even customer relationship management in your Gmail. You could install this third-party application in your Gmail to ease your work. But of course, some of the apps are free and some of them does have paid version. Thirdly, Google will update Gmail and new features will be implemented once in a while to improve users' experience. These are some useful features that came out recently, and these features might not be available for other email services. For example, you have confidential mode in Gmail, where email will automatically destroy when it reaches the expiry date that you have set. The snooze function helps you to remind you again on the incoming Gmail notifications in a later time. The translate functions help you to translate the whole email strings to the language that you wanted. You could schedule your email to be sent at a later time or a later date in Gmail. And lastly, with Smart Compose and Smart Reply, Gmail will automatically helps you to pick the word or finish your sentence by using artificial intelligence. Of course, there are so much more features available in Gmail that we does not include in this video. I believe with these 3 reasons, you will absolutely choose Gmail as your email service. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.